Welcome to the Chevron Training Renewable Energy Installer Training Division demo. The introduction of the Greener Homes scheme in March 2006 saw a new era emerging in renewable energy technology. The aim of the scheme is to increase the use of renewable energy technologies in Irish homes. Within 18 months, almost 20,000 grants applications were received by Sustainable Energy Ireland. The main sources of renewable energy in Ireland are the sun, providing solar energy, wind, geothermal, heat below the surface of the earth, and biomass. One of the main benefits of using renewable energy is that it reduces emissions of carbon dioxide. Ireland has an abundance of several of these resources, and their effective development and use will reduce emissions of harmful greenhouse gases and our reliance on imported fossil fuels. The latest building regulations were published in January 2008 and state that all new dwellings where substantial work commences after 1st of July 2008 must provide a reasonable proportion of its energy requirement from renewable energy sources. This legislation makes it mandatory for all new dwellings to have either solar panels, wood pellet boilers, or stoves and/or a heat pump to be installed. It is estimated that there will be on average 40,000 new dwellings built per annum over the next 10 years, providing qualified installers of renewable energy technologies with a whole new business opportunity. The uncertainty in house prices, coupled with increased availability of skilled tradesmen, has led to an increased number of house renovations, most of which include the addition of solar panels and/or wood stoves. The availability of trained and certified installers is an important element of the quality assurance mechanism and the grant scheme in general. All installers are required to obtain certification from a recognized training course to gain access to the SEI list of qualified installers. Chevron Training offer FETAC accredited and Sustainable Energy Ireland listed courses on all three renewable energy technologies: solar, biomass, and heat pumps. Upon successful completion of our courses, you will be eligible to register as a qualified installer with Sustainable Energy Ireland for their Greener Homes scheme, which will position you perfectly to benefit this rapidly developing market. Gain a nationally recognized FETAC Level 6 qualification today in renewable energy technology installations and future-proof the demand for your services. Call us today at 1890 252755 or visit www.chevrontraining.ie/renew. Thank you for your attention.